Hello everybody, my name is Kenneth Gunawan, and today I'll be showing you my code. So at first, when you run it, it'll show display. Press T to start. It'll show this board, and then the first click will be circle. So for example, if I want to be here, if I want to place my circle here, put here, and then player 2 can be cross. You can place anywhere. I'll do it here, and then so on and so forth. So circle, cross, and then if I put circle here, I'm gonna win. So it'll say circle wins. So this is the display, how big width, height of the actual window. And this is the font, which is basically what the text, for example, display in the menu screen, what font that's going to be. And this is the colors, which are the colors used, for example, blue and black. Each color has to be manually written out. For example, blue is just a variable. This is what it actually means, the RGB values of blue. So for example, green, the red value is 0, and green value is full, and blue value is 0. So it's just green. And the grid, so a lot of this code is actually just displays. For example, these represent the 4 black lines in the middle, which are these lines, making that cross shape. So this basically tells the computer what sign to put in. For example, if I'm player 1, which is default, I start as player 1. So I press player 1 like here, it'll show circle. For example, if your turn is 1, so as a player 1, it'll show circle. Oops, it's the wrong frame. So there's 9 rectangles on the board, so 9 spaces you can put your cross or circle. So each one Pygame supports, so you can draw a rectangle using their function, but you have to input like the color of the rectangle, the size, and the coordinates. So I use blue as in what we just saw just now. So this is where the coding starts. So each rectangle is default false, so it hasn't been clicked yet. But for example, here if you click the first rectangle, it'll change that false into true. So it'll indicate that the rectangle has been clicked. And then it'll show that if you're player 1, go player 2 on your next turn, and vice versa. And if you're player 1 and you click on the first rectangle, it'll add 1 to your list. So there's a hidden list. Thank you for watching.